Okay, ladies, gentlemen, everybody. We are going to quickly do something. We are going to cram something in your brain. Later, I will go over more in detail how to do this. But today, we're going to just cram it in. Pi Day. It's a national holiday for math teachers. Okay. Okay, sorry left-handed people. Everybody, well, let's label this first. Box and whisker plot.
Oh my God,
okay.
brother.
Wow, what's wrong? It's just a title.
Oh.
Box, yes it is. And you're going to realize how easy it is. Okay, take your left hand. Yes, it has to be your left hand. It does not make sense with your right hand. Take your left hand and... Okay, can we stop the whining? And I need you to trace your left.
Why left?
It makes sense when I explain it. I know, seriously. Sorry, left-handed people.
Brother. This hand, over here. Thank you, brother.
Stop.
Oh yeah.
Booyah.
I'm the best.
Leroy?
Alright. So, alright. Now, looking at your left hand that we drew on our paper, we're going to label each finger. Each finger has a meaning in math. Let's not waste time. I got to get through this and it's a long lesson. Okay. Which one has the minimum amount of power? Which is the finger that's the weakest? Pinky. So we're going to call your pinky the minimum.
Whoa.
Because it has minimum power. What does minimum mean in math? Lowest number, smallest number. So pinky on your left hand is the minimum. Which one has the most power, the strongest? The thumb. Yeah, no, your thumb. Because you play thumb wars with your thumb because it has the most power.
I'm good at that game. No one can beat me.
So we call our thumb the maximum. So because it has maximum power in math, what does max mean? It's the most, the biggest number. Okay. Middle finger.
Whoa.
Yeah. It is
the meanest one.
Well, your middle finger is in the middle, right?
No.
What word in math do we use to find the middle? Median.
Oh my God.
I was thinking of the back finger.
So, your middle finger, because it's in the middle, is called your median. In math, median means the middle, okay? Now, your ring finger and your pointer finger, those don't make sense right now, but they will in a second. The ring finger is called the lower quartile, okay? And your pointer is called your upper quartile.
I know that.
Okay? Minimum, lower quartile, medium, upper quartile, and maximum. We're good? Okay. So,
This is on the test.
this is on the test.
Oh my God.
And your hand will help you remember what each dot on this graph represents. So, basically,
Can I just write it here?
that would be cheating. Okay. We okay?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. So, we're going to give you a list of numbers. So, we're going to create a box and whisker plot. So, the first thing you do is put the numbers in order. Okay? Put the numbers in order. Put the numbers in order. I'm going to give you the numbers in order. So, next, well, I'm going to need a lot of room. Okay. So, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. So 2, 4, 6, 8, all the way to 18. All the way to 18. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Step 2. Now, are they going to give you the numbers in order? No, you put them in order. Okay, fine.
No.
Find the minimum and find the maximum. Find the minimum, find the maximum. And if they're in order, they're super easy to find. What's the minimum?
2.
Okay, we write that down. What's the maximum?
18.
Okay. If they're in order, it's super easy. What's the smallest number? 2. What's the biggest number? 18. So far, so good? Okay. Step 3. Find median. What is median?
The middle number.
Middle. Okay, so go ahead and find the middle number. They're in order, so it should be easy.
Or answer.
Yeah, 10.
Yeah.
How'd you get 11?
Because in between 10 and 12 is.
Oh.
Did you have all the numbers between 2 and 18?
Brother.
No, but like it's because I didn't realize at first that you can just cross it out and then because I know that if it's like 2 numbers that share the middle.
Okay, so did you cross them out?
No.
Okay, case in point, what did Miss O'Malley say? Show your work. So the fact that you did not cross them out, which takes you 5 seconds, it cost him the wrong answer on the test.
No, I changed my answer.
No, but you changed your mind because everyone shouted out the right answer. So Adrian, you can't be stubborn on these things. Takes you 5 seconds, cross them out, you will get the right number. That's what, as a teacher, that's what's like, oh, the most. You have the ability, the potential, and just like, all right, we good? So far, so easy, right?
Yeah.
Not bad. You can find the smallest number, the biggest number. Okay, now we get complicated.
Range.
Step 4. Oh, you could do the range, yeah.
Voted.
Find the lower quartile and upper quartile. Now, this is brand new. You've never done this before.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, tell me what it is.
Box.
Wow.
Yep.
Future teacher right there. Great explanation.
Thank you.
Okay. Lower quartile and upper quartile are fancy words for median.
Whoa.
So, lower quartile is the lower median of your data. Upper quartile is the median of the upper part. So the middle number of the lower part and the middle number of the upper part. So the median is actually super important. If you get this wrong, you get lower quartile wrong and then you get upper quartile wrong. Okay, so this is the lower part because it's in the beginning, so it's lower. So we cover this up. Find me the middle of these numbers.
5.
Good. So cross it out, cross it out. Oh, now I have 2 numbers in the middle, but it's 4 and 6, so you know it's 5. So lower quartile is 5.
I said it, bro.
What's the upper quartile? So what's in the middle of the other numbers? Go.
13.
15.
So
No.
cover it up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 15.
Again,
Oh, yeah.
do the work. As easy as this is, what's in the middle of 14 and 16? 15. So the upper quartile is 15. Okay? Are we okay? So you didn't know, but the lower quartile is just the median of the first part. So middle numbers. All we're doing, Ariana, is a lot of middle numbers. A lot of middle numbers. All right. All right. Now we're going to create a box and whisker plot here. So you are going to create it by drawing a number line. And I want you to go from 0 to 20, not jumping the numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in my graph paper, each blue line's a 1. So I just went from 0 to 20. And it's really hard to see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 20.
That's 14.
They're in order. Don't even look at mine. Do it. Count.
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way to 20. All the way to 20. Okay.
Got it.
So there's going to be 5 dots because you have 5 fingers. What's our first dot?
The pinky. The
Pinky. So what number was my pinky? So what number was it?
5.
No.
5.
From your data.
5. Lower quartile. No, I'm not.
Oh,
But I'm tweaking. I'm tweaking.
Oh.
It's 2?
So you put a dot.
Oh, from the other one. Oh.
Brother.
Okay. What's the maximum?
18.
So plot 18. Median?
We got 10.
That's it.
Lower quartile?
5.
Upper quartile?
15.
Okay. So you will have 5 dots, 5 fingers.
Well,
Here comes the box and whisker. It's like it's weird. The first 2 make a whisker, like a cat whisker.
Oh.
The last 2 make a whisker, like whiskers of a cat. And then in the middle are 2 boxes. This is called the box and whisker plot. Sometimes looks like braces. Okay. So, this is weird, but it is what it is. On the test, or on Alex, you'll see this. And then they'll go, hey, what does this dot mean? This one right there.
that's the median.
Median.
I'm golden.
Hey, what does this dot mean?
Upper quartile.
Upper quartile. You're like, I mean, something like, I don't know. Then what I would do is I would put my left hand out on the test and be like, okay, she taught me that this is minimum, this is maximum. Oh, my middle finger, that's the middle finger, median. And then you just have to remember this is lower and upper. So these 2 are the hardest ones to remember because it's like the new ones. But your pinky makes sense. Smallest. Thumb, most powerful, maximum. Okay.
Wow.
Each section is 25% of the data. 25% of the data. Because sometimes they ask you, what's 75%? So you go, oh, 25, 25, 25, 75% would be here. What's 25% of the data? Oh, this is 25% of the data. What's 50%? Oh, 50% would be here because I would add 25 plus 25. They usually ask you a percent question. So each section is 25. So if I ask you for 75%, kind of like the map score, if I ask you for 75, you would go 25, 50, 75. Oh. I would hit 75 here, so my answer would be
15.
13.
Oh, brother.
Right? Okay. Let's take out the packet that you got. I don't know when. This one.
You got a packet?
I think I gave it to you on Monday. Tuesday.
Where is Mr. Franco?
Oh my god.
Monday was Franco. Tuesday was this.
What up? Miss Franco. Got it. I'm golden. What can I say?
Yeah.
Bro, in first grade, I'm so cool. I got right here,
And then what happened?
216. And then it got upper, and then it got to the middle, and then it got up. And then now I'm at the 2 because
Yeah, you'll see like.
But looks like I have 185 on math.
All right.
What if a kid gets an F but does like a A in the math test?
Wow. Okay, can you turn to page? It has happened. Both. I have an A student score really low, and I have an F student score really high.
Maybe that's literally.
Which sucks. This is your, I mean, it's your test. Every person has a different test.
Really?
Because it gets harder if you get them right, and it gets easier if you get it wrong. Okay, page 8. Page 8. Alright. So here is your box and whisker plot. Now, let's not answer the questions, but answer these questions that I'm going to tell you. What does this first dot mean?
Minimum.
So look at your hand. What is this one? That's your minimum. What is the second dot mean?
Lower quartile.
Okay, so I'm going to put LQ for lower quartile. What does my middle finger, the third dot mean? Median. What is my pointer finger, my index finger? Upper quartile, I'm going to put UQ. And then the last dot, which is the fifth, my maximum, which is my thumb. So the reason we do our left hand is because it's in that order. If I did my right hand, I can't call my pinky the maximum power, right? That makes no sense. So you have to use your left hand, and literally you kind of see your left hand and go, oh, my middle finger, median. So you memorize it. Okay. Now, here's something more confusing. Write the first quartile from the given plot. First quartile is also called lower. So sometimes it's called first, and sometimes it's called lower. And this is why math is hard, because they use different words for the same thing. So first is also lower. So what is the value of the lower quartile in this problem? Let me draw an arrow to help you.
15.
Yeah, 15.
Whoa. Hold on. Middle.
Wow.
It's in the middle.
Oh my god.
So it would be technically 15.5 because it's in the middle of 15 and 16. I doubt they'll give you one in the middle for the test. They'll give you a whole one.
Put that on the test.
Okay, what is the maximum incubation time? So maximum, I'm going to draw an arrow to help you visualize it better.
Incubation is crazy.
35.
And what is the median?
20.5.
Yeah, 20.5. Okay, I think the bottom one's easier. The bottom one doesn't have, oh, it has one decimal. Okay, so look at the bottom one. Without looking at the top, can you name all 5 points? So practice naming them all 5 points. Don't look at your notes. You can look at your left hand on page 8 and label the 5 dots. Label the 5 dots. So what does this dot mean? What does this dot mean? Using your left hand. What is this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one? Okay, now answer the question. Oh, did you guys get them right? I mean, obviously look on top to correct yourself. What is, it should be minimum, lower quartile, upper quartile, maximum. All right. The first question says, what's the median? Okay, so draw a line for the median. What's the median? And then the second question is, what is the least number of smartphones? Okay, so what does least number mean? What's another word for least number?
Minimum.
Minimum. So answer the minimum. And then the last question is, oh, what do you think third quartile means?
Upper quartile.
Upper quartile. Very good. Upper quartile. So tell me, what does upper quartile mean? I bet you anything on the test, you're going to have to read it. You're not going to draw it. You're going to read it. Have you seen this on Alex?
No.
Yes.
It is on Alex. So if you haven't done it, it's there on Alex. If you've been avoiding it, you are now able to do it. Okay. So what's our answer for number A? Letter A.
40.
Okay.
40.
B?
34.
34?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And C?
48.
48.
48.5. All
Yeah,
right.
48.
Okay. Let's now see which one I want you to do. If you just got this packet, watch the video from Tuesday to learn how to do a dot plot and learn how to do a stem. Oh, did I teach you guys stem and leaf? Or just dot?
Stop plot.
Okay.
What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, can you guys do page 6, number 2? Page 6, number 2. What's the first thing we should do on page 6, number 2? Put the numbers in order. So put the numbers in order. Yes, 9. I chose the one with the smallest amount.
Page 6, number 2.
Thank you.
42. 44.
Where's the link?
With the box and this one.
Oh, I was like, oh my god.
Huh?
Oh.
Okay, did you put them in order? Okay, after you put them in order, you can obviously tell me minimum and maximum, right? Minimum and maximum, super easy. Okay, so what's number 2 on page 6? What are you doing? Are you done with page 6? So number 2? Did you put them in order?
You go with it.
Okay, what's the minimum? 42? What's the maximum? 32. Okay, so to find, oh, they use different language, right? Q1, Q2, Q3.
Q1 is lower, right?
Yeah, what do you think Q1 is?
Lower.
Q2?
Median.
Median? Middle? Median? Q3? Upper quartile. So to find, you first do this one first. You have to do that one first, because then that divides it into 2, right? You can't do this one. You have to do the median first. Okay, you have to do the median first. You have to. You can't do lower without finding the median.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's the number in the middle? 58. Okay? Now, if you have 58 in the middle, if I do the lower quartile, I have 2 numbers in the middle, right? 44 and 46. So what's in the middle of 44 and 46? Nice. And then I do the upper quartile. Oh, they did it so easy for you.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we graph. How many dots do I have to use? 5. Does it matter how you graph them in what order? No. You should just have 5 dots. Which 5 dots? Minimum, maximum. Everybody got 4.5. Fabian, are you done? Graphing?
Yeah.
Did you do the box and whisker?
Yeah.
I think it's 9.
So put the dots. I should have a dot on 42, you guys said?
42. Yeah.
What's the minimum? 42?
Oh, yeah.
Maximum was 72, Fabian?
No.
Yes.
72. I think.
72?
Boy.
This is 42,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What's the lower quartile, Fabian?
45.
45 median?
58.
max. I mean, no, upper. So I should have a dot here, a dot there, and a dot there. And then what you do is you connect these two, box and box. Can you tell me what the range is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what the range is? It's this. It's your pinky and your thumb. This is your range. Pinky and thumb are your range. What would be the range?
The range?
30?
Yeah.
I don't know.
30.
Is it
It's 30, yeah.
Thank you.
40 minus 7 is 30. 2 minus 2 is 0. Wow. Record doodle. Hang on. I feel like speed testing.
I know. Today you guys got really lucky. I had to grade those real fast. I only paid attention to a couple of things, not all of them. Alright. Pass back the homework. Pass.
Is mine like that? Is mine chat?
Yo.
Only do the back. Only do the back. Only the back.
Only
Only do the back. Only do the back. Only do the back.
we didn't get extra credit each.
Only do the back. There's extra.
Wow. Move.
Adrian, extra to them, please. Extra homework to them.